making money because
these are expensive here too.
yes, NYSC supply us everything.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I finally obeyed the Clarion call. So I was deployed to Lagos, but I have to camp in Osun State. Due to the fact that Lagos camp is, I don't know, I think it's very small. So I'm on my way to NYSC camp in Osun at Ede. This is me looking very tired, like I'm very, very tired. The journey was like 6 hours. Finally, I've arrived at Osun, the NYSC camp. Firstly, they asked us to drop our load. They check us in. This place we are like checking for blood blood test or whatever. I was very tired at this point, and then after the blood check and your temperature and everything, so I was heading to. They asked us to go and drop our load. God, I'm so stressed. Like, God, I'm ready. I don't have any bed in my own side. Sorry. Someone is here. Alright, successfully, and this is my bed. This place is so tiny, like we can barely walk. Like, after dropping my load, there are still some registration I need to do, so we're outside. This place is just like a long queue. Thank God I was able to bypass, like one of those attendants helped me, so I don't have to like stay on the long queue. So I was very very quick trying to survive. Now I just have to go and print out, to go and make photocopies of some documents, and this is the first time. I mean, this is my first day. What am I saying? After heading to Mami Market, I've been at Mami Water. No, Mami Water Market. Look, see my face. I was looking fresh in the morning. Now, see me. Okay. So this is Mami Market. At first stop, I went to photocopy my documents. They said 18 naira per one photocopy. Things are very expensive here. I also bought bedroom slippers because I didn't get it from home. And okay, this one is 500 naira. So these people are telling me something.
250 is power bank. No, power bank is 250.
Power bank
200.
Power bank 350. 250.
Yeah.
Phone 200.
Yeah.
I think I'll come and open shop here. So I can be selling to, because you guys are making mad money. I'm not even joking.
We are not making any money because
these are expensive here too.
Yes, NYSC supply us everything. Yeah.
Oh, is NYSC that supply you guys?
Yes, NYSC supplying us. But pure water is 250 outside. They said for us 330.
So like everything you're selling here, oh, NYSC is supplying you?
Yeah.
I believe what these market women are trying to say is that there is a price tag for everybody in the market. Thereby, NYSC is trying to regulate the prices so that the amount you get is from one seller will be the same amount you get the same thing from another seller, so that they will not inflate price. But somehow the price is still being inflated, so it's still almost the same thing. I can't believe NYSC. But it's actually, I think prices are like kind of fair, but not too fair. So basically, my colleagues are here. So let me buy. I'm not sure I want to eat. I'm not ready to eat because I think I need to use the toilet. They are my stomach. This is my water. First day at the camp, and I already missed some beautiful girls. Okay, that's Gwen. That name is so special. In case you don't know, I'm a YouTuber. So after submitting the documents, we are asked to go to locate our platoon and go and get our uniform. This is my first friend. Her name is Gwen. Gwen, say hi. This is my face. So after all the registration, I had to go and collect my uniform. They gave us khaki. The khaki is like oversized. I went to Mami to say, okay, let me adjust it. So they said it's 2,000 naira for just ordinary adjustments. Certified NYSC baby. I guess they are like picking cup members that have worn their clothes that they should come and match. Like, how? No, like how is it possible? I've been stressed like since when I've been traveling. We came here no rest, trying to register and do everything since morning now. Like we're still on this registration shit. And now I'll now wear my clothes and I'll go inside. One food will now come and pick me. God forbid. Ah, Jesus. Okay. So we're ready to change into our whites and then to get our dinner. They served us ogbono and gari. It was nice but not so nice, you know how it is. So this is me in my whites. I like this feeling. It's actually very nice having our father's land. But one thing I want you to know is that if you are coming to experience this, just come with like the expectation that you are going to see full shege. Because right now all my body is aching me. Like I have no rest since I've gotten here, and like I'm very very tired. And then I was told the shege is going to continue. The shege has just begun. So bye guys, I'm going to make more vlogs.